Good afternoon.
Welcome to Cooking with Faith and Anna.
I'm Ann.
I'm Faith.
Today, we are going to make pizza roll-ups.
For this project, we need 4 items.
Number 1, 1 package of crescent rolls.
Number 2, 1 jar of pizza sauce.
Number 3, mozzarella sticks.
Number 4, pepperoni slices.
First, we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees.
Then we need a baking sheet. We will line ours with parchment paper.
Next, we need to open the package of crescent rolls. We will spread them out in triangle shapes on the parchment paper.
Next, we will open a jar of pizza sauce. Add 1 spoonful on the crescent rolls.
Then we will put pepperoni slices on top of the sauce. 4 or 5 should work just fine.
Then we will open a mozzarella stick and break it in half. Place it on top of the pepperoni slices.
The last step is to roll up the crescent rolls.
Put them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown.
Take them out and let them cool.
And enjoy.
Bon appetit, everyone!
See you next time on Cooking with Anna and Faith. Goodbye.
Bye!